Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be talking about the SCX 24 and I have the Chevy C10. So there are a bunch of things going around of like videos of people doing mods and stuff to their SCX 24s, and I'm going to show you a couple of them you can do. Some of the mods that I'm going to talk about aren't on my truck, but some of them are too. The first mod is the one that you probably can see the easiest. Is I turn the battery around, kind of cut the end of the battery tray out, and so that way the battery can sit this way instead, so it's a little closer to the ESC. And that mod will help it so that way there's more weight up front. The next mod is a couple pennies on the rock sliders. These rock sliders, we actually got off a Thingiverse. Just Grant 3D printed them. Make sure to go check his channel out. And he has some pretty awesome vids. This next mod is a mod I found off of a YouTube video. Technically they're shock spacers. I just used mini zip ties. So with the shock spacers, it makes the truck not droop down. So it looks pretty nice, especially since I might put these 3D printed parts back on, or you might make a tow truck thing for the back of my truck. And when you put it on, it slants down a bit, but not as much. So a couple more mods you can do to your own vehicle is you can make, instead of body mounts, you can put Velcro instead. Just get rid of the body pins. You can adjust the shocks to if you want your car higher or lower. And another little cool thing you can do, it's not really a mod to help performance, but to make looks, is you can put lights, the lights from the bumper in your own LED buckets. The Chevy C10 has mounts up there already. You just have to get an extended cord, so that way you can open and close the body. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully these mods and things will come in handy for your truck if you want to use them. And yeah, see you in the next video.